How's everybody doing today? Here we have a Ram 1500.
I'm sorry, I accidentally threw that door.
I don't remember what year it was.
06?
It is a 2015 Ram 1500. Customer complaint, jerking, misfiring. So let's get a scan on it here, see what cylinder is misfiring. Cylinder number 5. Misfire. P0058. Oxygen sensor 2 of 2. Heater circuit high. P0038. Oxygen sensor 1 of 2. Heater circuit high. That's both. That's upstream and downstream on bank 2. Air intake temperature sensor circuit high. Active grill shutter. Hold on. What? Coming. What? Put your foot on it down there and open it up. There you go.
Wow.
Good job.
Banging on it. Quit. You guys need to leave that unlocked. No. All day.
Well, yeah, once we get in here and open it up.
Quit videoing me. I keep forgetting.
Tell YouTube hi. Oh, my
I don't
God.
want to.
Look, they're gonna exterminate for all the mices. They're gonna come straight
Oh,
over
my
here.
goodness, bro. Brothers Auto Parts.
Team PRP.
What are we getting? We're getting a
06 Honda engine.
06
They're
Honda
doing that
engine.
Honda engine.
Which
Is that
one?
prime time?
Yeah, but will the 06 fit the 2010?
Oh, the old one? Okay. Back at it. EVAP, small leak, PO456, PO138 and PO158. O2 sensor 1 of 2, 2 of 2 high circuit. 1 of 2 and 2 of 2 high circuit. PO38 and 58. So those codes are in there twice. Left front wheel speed sensor. Lost vehicle speed message. Humidity, tail lamp, wiper. Alright, not too worried about all this stuff. Electronic shift module, transmission range sensor, 1 circuit, Prindle input stored. So, right now we're going to attack the PO305, number 5 misfire. Alright, well, the air intake temperature sensor is unplugged. Now, it also had heater circuit codes high for upstream and downstream on bank 2.
We got no cats on this thing.
Well, but are they cut? Are the plugs cut or something from where? Because somebody stole the cats off of it.
This one right here is plugged in. Is it upstreams or downstream?
Upstream and downstream on bank 2. Alright, so bank 1 is over here on the passenger side and it goes 1, 3, 5. So I'm just going to take off number 5 coil and swap it with another to see if the misfire moves. Alright, I wiped it off, but it had like a bunch of white crusties here and a lot of rust in there. So we found a used coil. This is kind of a delivery truck that the owner's dad's. So we're gonna see if this used coil fixes the problem. If it does, we'll be done with that. What else was it he was complaining about?
Wheel bearing and
wheel bearing.
stabilizer anyway.
Okay. Is it a push start?
Yeah. No, it's a key, my bad.
Well, I need to put it in gear anyways. Huh? What?
I got misfires up here today, man.
Well, it's sounds good. It's not missing.
That feels good.
ABS message.
Yeah, that's what he
Okay.
ABS.
Alright, so misfire is fixed with the used coil. So we're going to put it in the air and check out the ABS message. And he says he hears a wheel bearing growling. And we had left front wheel speed sensor circuit. So we're going to put it in the air, check that. Yeah, it's got a little wobble. Alright, so we're just going to call it a wheel bearing over here. Yeah.
Yeah, your stabilizer in link.
Oh, yeah. Where's it at? Oh, wow. Well, you've been off-roading this sucker, bro.
No, I ain't been off-road.
You've been off-roading, bro. Every time it comes back over here, bro, I see more dents. And look at that, bro. You got a big dent there.
You don't pay so much attention to it.
What happened to all What, look at the big dents up in the hood and stuff?
Well, yeah, I hit a deer, remember?
Oh, you did?
Yeah, you didn't know I hit a deer?
I didn't.
I got an 8-point.
I didn't hear about
I got
that.
the first deer of my life, and I think that's a front end problem, because both these tires are scalloping.
Yeah. Yeah.
But this heavy fit, do you think that might be what's making it vibrate?
It, well, that's your growling noise and your ABS light.
Wheel bearing, right?
Yeah, it's wheel bearing.
Okay, I thought that was one.
Yeah, you definitely got some
They're both
cupping going on.
Look at the back one, it's wore out in the middle.
That's from you burning it out, burning the tires
That's
off of
from
it.
that lady hitting me.
That's from you.
Did you see
That's
this?
from you going to the drag strip and doing burnouts.
Maybe they can put her and shut the gun on it.
Huh?
You can see where he hit this. Shine your light up in here. You see the paint missing off of it. When I looked in there the other day, there was places that was.
Yeah, you're silly, bro.
I'm not sure. You tell me that lady totaled her car and wrapped her front end of the car around this and didn't
Yeah.
get this stuff up?
It definitely bent this up, didn't it?
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
It didn't hurt the trailer hitch.
Yeah. You do got a little bit. Your sway bar link back here is a little noise. Will be a little loose too, but I don't know if that's something you need. I mean, I would replace the front ones.
Yeah.
Because it's broke all the way off.
Yeah.
But this is just a little bit loose. We can replace it.
On the rack.
We can.
I didn't need to know how far back I was standing. Is this oil coming out of the muffler?
No, just a little sooty, especially from a misfire to cause soot. And that's just a drain hole right there. That way for
That way you can, huh?
condensation to come
That's
out.
a pretty heavy duty muffler bracket on there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. No wonder they want $5,000 for it.
All right. So it got a used coil. It's getting written up for a left front wheel bearing, front brake pads and rotors, rear brake pads and rotors, front sway bar links. That's what she's getting written up for today. Like I said, somebody's stowed the cats off of it. It does have the oil leak there. Gonna have to do something about that. All right, well, thanks for watching. Hope you all have a great day.